Hi. In this video we will be talking about the importance of how to lower your credit card APR with Gauss. Watch this video to the end to learn about credit card APR. Welcome back to the International CEO. Credit cards are ubiquitous in modern society, offering convenience and flexibility in managing finances. However, one aspect that often burdens cardholders is the annual percentage rate, APR, the interest rate charged on outstanding balances. High APRs can significantly increase the cost of borrowing, making it essential for consumers to seek ways to lower them. In recent years, technological advancements have paved the way for innovative solutions, one of which is Gauss, a financial technology company leveraging artificial intelligence to help consumers manage their credit card APRs. This article explores how Gauss can be utilized to lower credit card APRs effectively. Understanding credit card APR. Before delving into how to lower your credit card APR with Gauss, it's crucial to understand how APR works. The APR represents the annualized cost of borrowing funds, including interest and certain fees, expressed as a percentage. Credit card APRs can vary widely, ranging from single digits to over 20%, depending on factors such as creditworthiness, market conditions, and the card issuer's policies. Higher APRs translate to greater interest expenses, especially for cardholders carrying balances from month to month. Consequently, reducing APR can lead to substantial savings over time and improve overall financial health. Introducing Gauss. Gauss is a fintech platform that utilizes advanced algorithms and artificial intelligence to analyze users' financial data and identify opportunities for optimizing their credit card APRs. By leveraging machine learning and data analytics, Gauss assists consumers in navigating complex financial landscapes, empowering them to make informed decisions and save money on interest payments. Key features of Gauss. Comprehensive data analysis. Gauss aggregates and analyzes users' financial information, including credit card statements, payment history, and credit scores. This holistic approach enables Gauss to gain insights into individual spending patterns, debt levels, and creditworthiness, laying the groundwork for personalized recommendations. Machine learning algorithms. Gauss employs sophisticated machine learning algorithms to process vast amounts of data and identify trends, correlations, and predictive patterns. By continuously learning from user interactions and market dynamics, Gauss refines its algorithms to deliver increasingly accurate and tailored recommendations over time. APR negotiation. One of Gauss's primary functionalities is facilitating APR negotiations with credit card issuers on behalf of users. Through a combination of data analysis and strategic communication, Gauss advocates for lower APRs by highlighting users' creditworthiness, payment history, and competitive offers available in the market. Strategies for lowering credit card APR with Gauss. Assessing current APR. The first step in lowering your credit card APR with Gauss is to assess your current APR and understand how it compares to prevailing market rates. Gauss can provide insights into whether your APR is competitive or if there's room for improvement. Optimizing credit profile. Gauss analyzes your credit profile, including factors such as credit utilization, payment history, and credit score, to identify areas for improvement. By addressing any red flags and demonstrating responsible financial behavior, you can enhance your creditworthiness and strengthen your negotiating position with credit card issuers. Leveraging competitive offers. Gauss monitors the credit card market for promotional offers, introductory rates, and incentives offered by competing issuers. By leveraging these competitive offers as leverage during negotiations, Gauss can advocate for a lower APR or alternative card with better terms. Negotiating with issuers. Gauss acts as your advocate in negotiating with credit card issuers to lower your APR. By presenting compelling data and insights gleaned from comprehensive financial analysis, Gauss can make a compelling case for reducing your APR based on your creditworthiness and market conditions. Monitoring and adjustment. Even after successfully lowering your credit card APR with Gauss, it's essential to monitor your APR periodically and reassess your options. Market conditions and your financial situation may change over time, necessitating adjustments to ensure you continue to benefit from the most favorable terms available. Case study. Lowering APR with Gauss. Sarah, a Gauss user, had been carrying a balance on her credit card with a high APR of 18%. Concerned about the accumulating interest charges, she decided to enlist Gauss's assistance in lowering her APR. After analyzing Sarah's financial data and credit profile, Gauss identified opportunities for optimization, including improving her credit utilization ratio and addressing inaccuracies in her credit report. Armed with these insights, Gauss initiated negotiations with Sarah's credit card issuer on her behalf. Through strategic communication and leveraging competitive offers in the market, Gauss successfully negotiated a lower APR of 12% for Sarah, saving her hundreds of dollars in interest expenses annually. Furthermore, Gauss provided ongoing monitoring and guidance to ensure Sarah maintained optimal APR and continued to make progress towards her financial goals. Lowering your credit card APR can have a significant impact on your financial well-being, reducing interest expenses and accelerating debt repayment. Gauss offers a powerful toolset for achieving this objective, leveraging advanced technology and data analytics to optimize APRs through negotiation, optimization, and strategic insights. By harnessing Gauss's capabilities and implementing sound financial strategies, consumers can take control of their credit card APRs, save money, and build a stronger financial future. Whether you're looking to reduce existing debt burdens or minimize future interest charges, Gauss provides a valuable ally in navigating the complex landscape of credit card APRs and achieving financial success. Exploring Gauss's role in financial empowerment. Beyond its primary function of lowering credit card APRs, Gauss plays a broader role in empowering consumers to take control of their financial lives. By harnessing the power of technology and data analytics, Gauss offers a range of features and capabilities designed to improve financial literacy, promote responsible borrowing, and optimize financial decision-making. Financial education. Gauss provides users with access to educational resources, tools, and personalized insights to enhance their financial literacy and understanding of key concepts such as APR, credit utilization, and credit scores. Through informative content and interactive modules, Gauss empowers users to make informed financial decisions and navigate complex financial landscapes with confidence. Debt management. In addition to lowering credit card APRs, Gauss assists users in managing and reducing their overall debt burden. By analyzing debt levels, interest rates, and repayment strategies, Gauss identifies opportunities for debt consolidation, refinancing, or restructuring to minimize interest expenses and accelerate debt payoff. Furthermore, Gauss offers budgeting tools and debt repayment calculators to help users develop effective debt management plans tailored to their financial goals and circumstances. Credit score improvement. A key determinant of credit card APRs is an individual's credit score, which reflects their creditworthiness and risk profile in the eyes of lenders. Gauss helps users improve their credit scores by identifying factors contributing to credit score fluctuations, such as late payments, high credit utilization, or inaccuracies in credit reports. By addressing these factors and adopting responsible credit behaviors, users can raise their credit scores over time, qualifying for lower APRs and better financial opportunities. Financial planning and goal setting. Gauss enables users to set and track financial goals, whether it's paying off debt, saving for a major purchase, or building an emergency fund. By analyzing income, expenses, and savings patterns, Gauss provides personalized recommendations and actionable insights to help users achieve their financial objectives. Whether it's optimizing spending habits, increasing savings contributions, or reallocating investments, Gauss empowers users to make informed decisions that align with their long-term financial goals. Risk management and security. As a fintech platform handling sensitive financial data, Gauss prioritizes security and risk management to protect user privacy and confidentiality. Gauss employs robust encryption protocols, authentication mechanisms, and data protection measures to safeguard user information from unauthorized access, data breaches, or cyber threats. Furthermore, Gauss adheres to strict regulatory standards and compliance requirements to ensure the highest standards of data security and consumer protection. Case study: Financial empowerment with Gauss. John, a recent college graduate, was struggling to manage his credit card debt and improve his credit score. With multiple credit cards carrying high APRs and limited knowledge of personal finance, John felt overwhelmed and unsure where to start. Upon discovering Gauss, John decided to leverage its capabilities to address his financial challenges and improve his financial well-being. After syncing his financial accounts and credit card information with Gauss, John received personalized insights and recommendations tailored to his unique financial situation. Gauss identified opportunities for John to consolidate his credit card debt through balance transfer offers with lower APRs. By analyzing John's spending habits and income streams, Gauss helped him develop a budgeting plan to prioritize debt repayment and reduce discretionary expenses. Furthermore, Gauss provided educational resources and tutorials to enhance John's financial literacy and empower him to make informed decisions about credit management, budgeting, and long-term financial planning. Over time, John saw significant improvements in his financial health, including a higher credit score, reduced debt levels, and lower APRs on his credit cards. With Gauss's guidance and support, John regained control of his finances, built a solid foundation for future financial success, and gained confidence in his ability to manage his money effectively. Conclusion. Gauss represents a paradigm shift in the way consumers manage their credit card APRs and overall financial well-being. By harnessing the power of technology, data analytics, and artificial intelligence, Gauss offers a range of tools, features, and capabilities designed to lower credit card APRs, improve financial literacy, and empower users to make informed financial decisions. Whether you're looking to reduce interest expenses, optimize debt repayment strategies, or enhance your creditworthiness, Gauss provides a comprehensive solution for achieving your financial goals. With its intuitive interface, personalized insights, and proactive recommendations, Gauss serves as a valuable ally in navigating the complex landscape of personal finance and building a stronger financial future. As financial technology continues to evolve and innovate, platforms like Gauss will play an increasingly vital role in empowering consumers to take control of their finances, achieve their goals, and secure their financial well-being for years to come. Whether you're a seasoned investor or a novice saver, Gauss offers something for everyone, making it easier than ever to make smarter financial decisions and unlock your full financial potential. The future of financial empowerment with Gauss. As Gauss continues to evolve and expand its offerings, the future holds immense promise for further advancements in financial empowerment and consumer advocacy. By leveraging emerging technologies, data-driven insights, and innovative solutions, Gauss is poised to revolutionize the way individuals manage their finances, access credit, and navigate the complexities of the modern financial landscape. Enhanced personalization. Gauss will continue to refine its algorithms and data analytics capabilities to deliver even more personalized recommendations and insights to users. By leveraging machine learning and artificial intelligence, Gauss can analyze vast amounts of financial data and adapt its recommendations in real time based on users' changing needs, preferences, and financial goals. Expansion into new financial services. Beyond credit card APR optimization, Gauss has the potential to expand into other areas of financial services, including loan refinancing, mortgage rate negotiation, and investment management. By applying its expertise in data analysis and negotiation tactics, Gauss can help users secure more favorable terms and optimize their financial portfolios across various asset classes. Partnerships with financial institutions. Gauss can forge partnerships with banks, credit card issuers, and other financial institutions to streamline the process of APR negotiation and debt management. By collaborating with industry stakeholders, Gauss can access additional resources, market insights, and negotiating leverage to deliver even greater value to users and drive positive outcomes for all parties involved. Integration with emerging technologies. Gauss can integrate with emerging technologies such as blockchain, decentralized finance, DeFi, and digital wallets to offer innovative solutions for managing financial assets and accessing credit. By embracing technological trends and market shifts, Gauss can stay ahead of the curve and position itself as a leader in the rapidly evolving fintech landscape. Global expansion. As financial technology becomes increasingly globalized, Gauss has the opportunity to expand its reach beyond domestic markets and serve users worldwide. By adapting its platform to local regulations, currencies, and market dynamics, Gauss can cater to the unique needs and preferences of diverse user populations across different regions and geographies. Case study: Global expansion with Gauss. Following its success in the domestic market, Gauss sets its sights on international expansion to tap into new growth opportunities and serve a broader user base. Leveraging its proven technology and expertise in credit card APR optimization, Gauss enters strategic partnerships with leading financial institutions in key markets around the world. In Europe, Gauss collaborates with major banks and credit card issuers to offer its APR negotiation services to consumers seeking to lower their interest rates and improve their financial health. By tailoring its platform to comply with European regulations and market standards, Gauss gains traction among European consumers and establishes itself as a trusted ally in the fight against high credit card APRs. In Asia, Gauss partners with fintech startups and digital payment platforms to integrate its technology into their existing offerings and expand their service offerings to include APR optimization and debt management solutions. By leveraging the region's rapid digitalization and growing demand for fintech services, Gauss gains a foothold in the Asian market and positions itself for long-term success and growth. As Gauss continues to innovate and expand its offerings, the future of financial empowerment looks brighter than ever. By leveraging advanced technology, data analytics, and strategic partnerships, Gauss empowers consumers to take control of their finances, lower their credit card APRs, and achieve their long-term financial goals. Whether you're a seasoned investor or a novice saver, Gauss offers a comprehensive suite of tools and features designed to optimize your financial health and unlock your full financial potential. With its intuitive interface, personalized insights, and proactive recommendations, Gauss is redefining the way individuals manage their finances and navigate the complexities of the modern financial landscape. As we look ahead to the future, Gauss stands poised to revolutionize the way we think about credit card APRs, debt management, and financial empowerment. By harnessing the power of technology and data-driven insights, Gauss is paving the way for a brighter, more prosperous financial future for consumers around the world. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, hit that bell, comment, and subscribe for more content on the International CEO. See you next time.